If you're still handling employee training with spreadsheets or scattered videos, stop right there. With ProProfs, there's a smarter way to train your team, and it's easier than you might think. ProProfs LMS is regarded as one of the best learning management systems for employee training because it brings everything you need together in one straightforward online platform. Rather than juggling different tools for creating, training, and tracking employee progress, ProProfs lets you do it all in one place. It's entirely cloud-based, so there's no software to install and no technical expertise required. You can log in from any device and start creating and delivering training straight away. And the fact that companies like Adobe, Zoho, and Lenovo rely on it just goes to show how reliable and scalable the system truly is, whether you're training a small team or an entire organization. One of the biggest advantages of ProProfs LMS is just how quick and easy it is to build training courses. You don't need any design skills or technical know-how. Everything works with a drag-and-drop builder. You can upload videos, PDFs, slides, and other documents, or even add quizzes and surveys to make the learning experience more interactive. This means you can turn your existing content into complete training programs without any extra tools. And if you haven't got time to create a course from scratch, ProProfs gives you access to a large library of expert-made courses. These cover topics like onboarding, compliance, safety, customer service, and much more, so you can start training your team within minutes. ProProfs LMS does a lot of the hard work for you. It can automatically send reminders to employees who haven't started or finished their training. It tracks their progress behind the scenes and even issues certificates as soon as they complete a course. You also get detailed real-time analytics that show you exactly how your team are doing, who has started the training, who has completed it, and where learners are getting stuck. This is especially important for compliance training like OSHA, HIPAA, or harassment prevention, where you must prove that employees have completed the required courses. ProProfs keeps all the records organized for you, making audits and reporting much easier. With ProProfs, you can make the training look and feel like a part of your company. So, you can add your logo, choose your brand colors, and even host the LMS on a custom domain, which will create a polished and professional experience for your team. To keep learners engaged, the platform includes features like gamification, points, badges, assessments, and mobile-friendly lessons, so employees can learn anytime, anywhere, whether they're at their desk or on the go. And if you ever need help, ProProfs offers 24/7 customer support from real people. So whether you're stuck, confused, or need something customized, the support system responds quickly and actually helps you solve the issue. Just a few additional points. A secure platform with two-factor authentication and private course options. There is mobile-friendly training, so employees can learn from anywhere, and there is affordable pricing designed for both small teams and large enterprises alike. So if you're looking for the best LMS software to train your team quickly and effectively, try ProProfs LMS today. It's free to start, easy to use, and it's built for results that actually last.